Starting around 27 September 2023 in a real sense spell exceptionally token essentially is exchanging at $0.000455537 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in a very huge manner. Spell explicitly has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $48,909,482, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,201,143, which basically is very critical. This essentially makes by and large spell especially token, spell, fundamentally positioning at 370 in the digital money market, which generally is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the spell kind of symbolic cost forecast finish of 2023, what will truly spell especially token by and large be really worth in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Is really spell especially token a very wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which basically is genuinely critical? Will spell cost outperform its record-breaking high, or so they especially thought? These truly are a really spell kind of symbolic cost expectations for spell's future in an unobtrusive manner. Spell fundamentally token, spell, value expectation 2023, as per the spell truly token gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the spell cost certainly is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.0005681, the normal pretty least value worth of a specially spell kind of token toward the finish of the truly current year ought to truly be $0.0005495 in a sort of huge manner. Besides, especially spell can arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.000598828, which is very huge. Spell token, spell, value estimate August 2023. The spell kind of token, spell, cost for August 2023 may generally arrive at an especially least worth of $0.000452774, while the fundamentally greatest gauge cost basically is around $0.0005094, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The truly normal cost for generally spell for the most part is anticipated to basically reach $0.000495119 in August 2023 in a truly significant manner. Spell value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of for the most part spell especially token really is determined to by and large be at around a base worth of $0.000491442 in an especially huge manner. The spell pretty symbolic value worth can for the most part arrive at an extremely limit of $0.000529914, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.000515000 in United States dollars. Spell extremely token, spell, value conjecture October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of for the most part spell especially token, sort of is anticipated to explicitly arrive at a very normal cost of $0.0005304.5, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $0.000549774 and at least $0.000511158, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell truly token, spell, value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, spell especially token cost generally is gauged to basically arrive at an actually the most minimal cost of $0.0005274.9, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The spell cost could sort of arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.0005796, with the essentially normal expected cost around $0.000546636 by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Spell sort of token, spell, value figure December 2023. The spell truly token, spell, cost for December 2023 may fundamentally arrive at a truly least worth of $0.000549935, while the truly greatest determined cost basically is around $0.000598828 in an essentially large manner. The typical cost for most certainly spell especially is basically anticipated to reach $0.0005681 in December 2023, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell kind of token essentially passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been truly diminished by 0.84% in its most certainly current worth, showing that sort of spell fundamentally token, spell, value conjecture August 2023. The spell truly token, spell, cost for August 2023 may really arrive at a very least worth of $0.0004527 while the by and large greatest estimated cost in every way that really matters is around $0.0005094, which sort of is genuinely huge. Assuming we really look at the exceptionally current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap generally is likewise down, which sort of shows that the very normal cost for spell essentially is in every practical sense anticipated to for the most part reach $0.0005681 in December 2023, or so they for the most part thought. Spell especially token sort of is confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, or so they thought. The spell in every way that really matters is down to nearly 2.49% over the most recent 7 days. The coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for kind of past, by and large couple of days. The coin could have serious areas of strength for fundamentally in any case, we don't generally feel that it would a beneficial resource in most certainly present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of explicitly spell really diminished by 42.605%, taking out an incredible by and large normal amount of $0.000333803 from its certainly current worth in a by and large significant manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a by and large great all things considered purchase an open door for certainly speedy interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change basically is near 38.21%, and the cost truly coursed from a truly least truly normal cost of $0.0006842 to most extreme by and large normal cost of $0.000744480 in the beyond 90 days, which really is genuinely critical. Spell commonly token generally is somewhere near 16.86% with the truly greatest by and large normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around $0.000546440 and the in every practical sense, least in every practical sense, normal cost of truly was around $0.0005370 in especially beyond 4 months. Essentially further appearance how the coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for pretty past especially couple of days. The coin could for the most part have areas of strength for pretty at the same time. We don't in a real sense feel that it would a productive resource in present moment, which explicitly is very critical. Spell truly token value estimate 2023 facts what will especially be spell token especially worth in 2023, which truly is genuinely